Hi guys, today I will introduce this pluggable USB 3, 10, 100 and 1000 gigabits Ethernet adapter USB E1000. This is the easy way to gain the wired gigabit network speed over USB for faster HD video streaming, gaming, web browsing and networking and network access and more. So I just let you know how you guys can just connect with that. Here is the port and I will just try to fix that. Give me 1 second please. So as you can see, this is already plugged in, and I'm going to plug in with my system, and you will see there is the port will show network connectivity direct with the wire. So as you can see there is identifying internet access is already accessible. So hope you like my video. This is a very short video to introduce this port USB gigabit Ethernet adapter, so you can use this one for LAN cable. Thank you. Please like my video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.